So if you want to see how I go from this to this, just keep on watching. Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel where I break down the fundamentals of my hair care. So today's video, guys, is my nighttime routine, and I'm just sharing with you the products that I utilize to get those results that you saw at the start. I've been really loving this hair milk by Miel, the avocado moisturizing hair milk, and I've been pairing it with some avocado oil, and that has been giving me some really juicy styles in the morning. So these are the products I'll be using. I'll be doing something curly, of course, and it won't be a nighttime routine if you don't show your scarf and bonnet. So it's the end of the day, and I've been wearing my hair in a bun for the most part. What I normally do is just to unravel my hair and just lightly massage my scalp just before I get ready to go in sections. So for tomorrow, I'm thinking about wearing a middle part, and so I part my hair in the way that I want it to look the next morning. I'm not the best parter, guys. I'm really not. And if you see me squinting, girl, it's because I didn't have all my glasses. The ring light and the glasses just do not mesh well together. And my lips are dry. Just have to sort it out. Can't be on camera with dry lips, can I? So the first thing I do when I'm moisturizing and sealing my hair, and that's pretty much what my nighttime routine is, moisturizing and sealing. And I tend to do this about 3 times per week. And I take my time, guys. I really take my time. It's something that I don't rush, because I know that once I rush the process, the results are not going to end up the same. So I section my hair into 4 as I normally do, and I just take it easy, I try to detangle first before I apply product, but I'm detangling with my fingers. And I forgot to mention that I utilize my John Frieda Frizz Control as well. So the first thing I do is I start off with my moisturizer, and this is what I go in with at first. So that can be classified maybe as a dime size amount. But of course, the amount of product that you use differs based on your hair type and the density of your hair. I feel that my hair is moisturized when it feels, I'm not gonna say wet and I'm not gonna say damp, but it feels as though there's product on my hair. So if your hair is a little thicker than mine, please utilize a little bit more product to make sure that your hair feels as though the moisturizer has been passed through it. And I just make sure to get all over, guys. But as you can see, I'm now sectioning that section of my hair, because what tends to happen is the product just sits on top of the hair and it doesn't make its way in between. So I tend to section into a little smaller piece just so that I can get in between the hair. And it makes a difference, trust me. So I then begin to twirl my hair. I don't want to say twist. I'm twirling it because for me that helps as well for the product to wrap around my hair strands a little better. And of course, in the moment you will lose hair. It's part of life for us to lose some shedded hair. And so I lost maybe about 1 or 2 strands, and that's fine. So after this now, I then go for my avocado oil. And guys, this oil has just been changing my life, really and truly. You can see the amount of drops that I used. It's not really coming up too much on camera, but I don't use that much. And you can see instantly as soon as I place it on my hair, like it gives my hair this shine. I don't know if it's because the product, the moisturizer, has an avocado oil as one of its main ingredients, and then now I'm sealing with avocado oil, so the combination of products just works really well, really well. I then take whatever is left over on my fingers and I just massage it into my scalp. And of course, now I take my brush to just smooth out all of that product and to make sure that my hair lies really flat. And you don't have to do this is completely optional, but I find that whenever I'm wearing curly hairstyles, I want my hair to be as smooth and straight as possible before I curl it. And of course, I then go in with my trusted John Frieda girl. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Mine is soon finished, but I think I have about 2 more upstairs. I'm stocked up. I'm really stocked up. When I like something, I keep a lot of it. And you can see my face, like it just makes my hair feel so smooth. And I just make sure to brush my ends, guys. I want my hair to be laying very smoothly onto my flexi rod. Now, I'm struggling here. I'm struggling because I'm accustomed to rolling my hair a particular way on my flexi rods. But I wanted a wave as opposed to a curl. And so I decided to try not a new method, but I haven't done this in a while. And so you can see that I was struggling, girl. Look at this, look at this, look at this. I was struggling to get the ends to lay flat. I made several attempts to, guys, so you can watch. Look at me, looking like I got it all together this time. Yeah, I was so frustrated. But I tried again, and I think I got it on this go. Guys, just take your time. Where you going? You're going to bed. You're not going out. So just take the time to take care of your hair. That's all I'm saying. And because this wasn't like my first time in a long time doing this type of curling, yeah, I struggled for that one. But the others I did quite easily and quite quickly. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my hair off camera, the other 3 sections. And as you can see, this is how it turned out. And I'm just adding a little bit of oil now to my part because that's going to be visible, so we don't want dry scalp. Y'all know my issue with dry scalp. We're not about to have that. It took me a while too, guys. It really did, because if I really had to upload the full length of this video, say no more. I tend to sleep with 2 things on my head. Primarily because, sometimes we sleep badly and we don't want the curlers moving about. And it's the next morning and I'm all dressed for work, just my hair left to do now. And my hair seems to be intact. Normally, when I do this style, like I have flexi rods that are already sort of falling out. But because I put on 2 things on my head, that sort of helped. Girl, look at this curl. Hey, and this is the one I struggled with too. Alright, come true. You looking good? Let's see what the others have going on. This one looks like it's gonna be good. Ooh. Nice. And the thing is that all of them are not going to ever be the same. But who's looking for perfection? Surely not me. Alright, so we got the curls or the spirals and I'm feeling good. So now I'm just playing with it. I'm just fluffing it out. And guys, as you can see, it fluffed out so easily. And if you could have touched my hair, you would feel how soft my hair feels. I just did a little quick flip just to loosen the curls up a little bit more. And of course we have to get those edges. Not too much though. Not too much. My edges just fell naturally, so I just brushed them back. Guys, look at the shine. Like, look at the shine on my hair. What? And the definition of the spirals. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video, of course. If you haven't yet already, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you next week Sunday for another video. Bye!